So guys, now on our Swiss franc to our JPY for the week, I would start with our, let's see, our daily time frame. As we can see on our Swiss franc to our JPY, we are actually on an uptrend move. We actually have this breakout retracement. We actually have this push up. One thing I know is that we are actually seeing a drop, and we will be testing this area here, our key level area here, where we add this, a retracement, previous higher highs retracement area here. So this is where we want to be seeing a drop on our Swiss franc to our JPY before you actually see, that bullish move. That is, if you have to analyze it, by the way. So this our Swiss franc, we want to be seeing a drop since our Swiss franc has broken below this our previous higher lows. We can see higher highs, higher lows. This was our previous higher lows. Our Swiss franc to our JPY broke below it. So definitely on our Swiss franc itself, we are still dropping, and we would want to see this drop to around this key area here, giving us about 150 plus pips to grab that place, which is actually a good one. Then we might consider going bullish or a continued downward. That is if we are now on a downward trend. But if we are still on an upward trend, then definitely we should be seeing our reversal movements around this key area here. Once our price hits it, we should be aiming to go bullish. But if not, if it not, then we can see we'll continue to go down and probably take out this lows this week. So I don't just want to predict where our price will be moving this week, but this is what our price action, our analysis is actually showing us. We'll possibly be hitting this area here this week. Definitely will be seeing a bearish move to take out this area before you can consider going down on up. That is on our daily time frame. On our 4-hour time frame, can still sit, we are still on a bearish move. So taking our buy is actually a wrong thing to do. If you have to sit, our price is below our 10-period moving average, and see, we can see the trend line price action, it is actually still downward. So we should still consider taking our short position straight downward to this our key level area here, which is about 150 pips, which is actually a good amount of pips to grab for this week. So thank you very much.